running for Vance County, Harnett County, Cumberland County, Wake County, Johnston County, East Central Hope County, Franklin County, Person County, Southwestern Wayne County, Western Warren County, Southwestern Nash County, Eastern Orange County, Sampson County, Granville County, Durham County, Eastern Chatham County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Alma to near Roxborough to near Lillington to near Robeson Community College, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Fayetteville, Cary, Capitol Hill, Henderson, Smithfield, Clinton, Oxford, and Roxborough. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 between mile markers 105 and 41. Interstate 85 between mile markers 168 and 233. Interstate 40 between mile markers 268 and 351. Interstate 440 between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 540 between mile markers 0 and 24. United States 1 between mile markers 83 and 101. North Carolina Highway 264 between mile markers 20 and 29. The Durham Freeway between mile markers 2 and